Hey guys, I'm going to walk you through an exercise that you'll be doing today, which will train your brain to see like an artist. So we're starting our observational drawing unit, and one of the things that we have trouble with is that we tend to draw what we think we see and not what we actually see. So this exercise, while it seems very strange, I know, actually teaches your brain to see like an artist, to draw what you see, not what you think you see. So you need a pencil, you need a piece of 8.5 by 11 copy paper, essentially, and then you need this slideshow, which I'm going to walk you through how this works, and then I'm going to show you on my paper how you would do this little task. This is a mystery drawing. So, in order for your brains, we're tricking our brains. So in order for you to trick your brain, I don't want you to skip ahead. So no cheating on this, okay? I want you to really do this how I designed it, because it's really, you're going to finish it and you're going to be like, whoa, I can't believe I just did that. So I've set this up for my remote learners in a slideshow. So what you'll do is I've covered up the drawing and you only see about half an inch of it. Okay, so I'm going to show you on my paper example what you'll do. So I've lined up my pictures. My drawing and my paper are the same size. So the slideshow is an 8.5 by 11 paper, so draw exactly what you see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the lines exactly how I see them. I'm going to pay attention to the thickness. I'm going to pay attention to the distance between them. And I'm going to draw exactly what I see on my blank sheet of paper. So I'm going to start here. And if you notice, it doesn't go all the way to the end. So start about here. And my line is a little wider at the top. And I'm going to draw light. We're going to practice drawing light, you guys, because when you draw and you make mistakes, you want to be able to easily erase them. And if you draw too hard, it's really hard to erase. So then I'm going to pay attention to the distance here. It's about there. If you have to draw it on your paper, that's okay too. This line's a little thicker. Then I'm going to pay attention to the distance here. This line is the thickest. Kind of looks like a D. I draw that over, and then this is really thin. It gets thicker right here. So I'm going to make that a little thicker. Remember we talked about changing line thickness when we worked on Zentangle. I'm going to draw this line. So let's see. It's further away here, so it's about here. Then it gets closer. And then it splits right about here. So you just keep going all the way across. This line, it's got like a wishbone look. This one's thicker. And then I've got a long white space, so let's see, about there. This line, thick at the top, it's a little thinner. If you need to put a piece of paper, if you want to cover up the rest of your paper while you're drawing, you totally can do that, whatever works for you. Let's see. Okay, but don't jump ahead. Really, trick your brain. When you finish, your brain's going to be like, I can't believe you did that to me. But cool. This line. This. All right, so we have our first line done. So once you've done that, you're going to click the arrow button on your slideshow, and it's going to move it to another section for you to draw. Right, so you move your, I'm going to draw these lines, those extra lines that I see now. Okay, so these lines are coming together. This one comes down, this one comes down. These lines get closer. Excuse me. So these connect. This comes down. And then you have this offshoot here that goes down. Here. This comes down, it gets kind of closer together. And then again, you have this line that comes off of that, and then it goes down this way. These lines actually connect, which I didn't know, and now I do. And then this line goes down, and then another line comes up off of that. This line goes down. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to click the right arrow bar again, and you're going to draw the next line. And then you're going to draw the next section. Okay, I'm not going to show you anymore because it's a mystery drawing. But it will fill the page, and there's a little yellow arrow down here that tells you if there's still more to go, and then it'll indicate when you're done. And I'm really excited to see what you guys come up with, okay? So, have a good day. And remember, you can email me any questions. You can text me with the number that's on the parent newsletter that I email every week. You can Google Meet with me whenever you're available, okay? Have a good day.